Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, today I'm here to discuss a very beautiful and a very attractive collection of crop top for you. I hope you like this beautiful fashion video, so please watch this beautiful fashion video of my channel, Best Jewel Collection, till the end. Guys, this is a very beautiful and a very attractive collection of my channel, so don't forget to see this beautiful and very fashionable video of my channel till the end. And I hope you're interested and you're enjoying this beautiful fashion video of my channel. And this is a very new collection for girls and for women also. And this collection is for casual wear and also for party wears. So it's depend on your mood. And guys, we all know that we wear tops on our upper body part, and it's not such that a difficult topic that I'm telling you that we wear tops on our upper body part. We all know that we wear them on the upper body parts of our body. So please watch this beautiful fashion video till the end. And this is a very attractive and very beautiful collection for women, so you can watch please watch this beautiful video till the end, and you can wear them anywhere as you want, and you can wear as casual wear or party wear also. So guys, I hope you are interested in this beautiful video and you are enjoying this. So far guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying this beautiful fashion video of my channel, Best Jewel Collection, so please keep subscribing my channel, okay? And keep liking and sharing my all videos. And if you want to see more about fashion and if you want to see my uploads earlier, please press the bell icon. And if you want to see any other fashion video on my channel, or any jewelry accessory, so please comment me in the comment box. And I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And keep liking and sharing it, and keep watching my videos till the end, and keep subscribing also. So guys, I hope you're interested in this beautiful video also. This is a very beautiful and attractive collection of my channel, so don't skip this video. Please watch this beautiful and stunning video of my channel till the end. And I'm requesting again and again that if you are interested, so please comment me in the comment box. And if you want to see any other fashion video or any other jewelry accessory item, so you can tell me in the comment box, so inshallah next time I'll bring it for you. So see his beautiful video and cropped up video till end. Guys, my video almost has been ended. So remember me in your special and beautiful prayers, and take care of yourself also. And okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself. Bye bye.